Draw the shear force and moment diagram for the beam subjected to the end couple. What is the bending moment M at section 0.5 meter to the right of the B at this point, right of 0.5 meter right of this B support? First we will draw a free body diagram. Let's say this line show this beam and this is support A, this is support B. So this is for between support A and B there is 2 meter and B to this end is 2 meter. So this is 120 Newton meter and this is BY, this is AY. This is our reaction forces AX, AY and BY. We support A and B. So summation of all horizontal forces acting at this beam equal to 0. There is no horizontal force. That's why the reaction force AX will be equal to 0. Like this. So summation of all horizontal forces equal to 0. The force directed right will be taken as positive. So AX will be equal to 0. Now summation of all vertical forces acting at this beam equal to 0. So AY is a reaction force which is vertical and there is BY which is a reaction force which is vertical. There is no loading vertically, so AY plus BY equal to 0. Now summation of moment at point A equal to 0. There will be produces two moment. One is this pure moment 120 Newton meter and the other is this BY reaction will produce a moment in anti-clockwise which is positive BY multiplied by 2 meter. So BY multiplied by 2 meter negative, this is clockwise 120 Newton meter. So BY is equal to 120 divided by 2 is 60 Newton. I will plug the value of 60 value of BY into this equation 1. So AY will become equal to negative 60. Now I will find the moment at section 0.5 meter to the right of the B at this point. So I will find this moment. So moment at this point is equal to AY multiplied by 2.5. From this to this is 2.5 meter. This 0.5 plus 2 is 2.5 meter. AY multiplied by 2.5 meter negative. This is not negative, this is positive. So this is positive. BY multiplied by this will also anti-clockwise. That's why it will be this be negative, this be negative. If I push it to the right side of the equality, so it will become positive. So this is positive, this is positive. BY multiplied by 0.5. So M at 0.5. So AY value is negative 60. So negative 60 multiplied by 2.5. And BY value is, this is not negative, this is positive. So positive 60 multiplied by 0.5. So moment at 0.5 meter, it will become 120 Newton meter. Now I will draw a shear force and bending moment diagram. So AY is negative 60 and this BY is positive 60. So this is negative 60, this is positive 60. It will become 0. So there is no loading, so it will become 0. So this is a horizontal, this is 1 degree. So negative 120 moment is negative 120 Newton meter, and at 0.5 meter it is also negative 120 meter. It will be horizontal and there is a moment of 120 Newton meter. So this is 120 Newton meter and this is 120 Newton meter of load of moment. This is 120 Newton meter of moment. Okay.